to Max Breakfast YouTube channel. Those who are watching first time, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. In this video, I am presenting the topic how to multiply fractions. How to multiply fraction. For example, 1 upon 7 into 7 upon 3. So, first we multiply these numerators. After that, denominators you multiply. So, you will get 1 into 7 upon 7 into 3. So, you will get 1 into 7 is 7 upon 7 into 3 is 21. That is 1 upon 7 into 7 upon 3 is 7 upon 21. We can see another example. 2 upon 9 into 12 upon 8. How we can multiply? Multiply the numerators. 2 into 12 upon 9 into 8. Denominators you have to multiply, numerators you have to multiply. So you will get 24 upon 72. In addition, the method is different, but in multiplication you have to multiply the numerator and multiply the denominator. Now, how to multiply fraction and a whole number? For example, 5 is a whole number. 5 multiplied by 1 upon 2. So, here there is number is 5. We can write it as 5 upon 1. 5 upon 1 is same as 5. So, 5 upon 1 into 1 upon 2. Then multiply the numerator. 5 into 1, 5 upon 2 into 1, that is 2. So, 5 into 1 upon 2 is 5 upon 2. Now, another example. 12 into 2 upon 7. That is 12 into 2, 24 upon 7. 13 into 3 upon 5. How we can multiply? Multiply the numerator. 13 into 3, that is 39 upon denominator. Here it is 1. 5 into 1, 5. 39 upon 5. Next topic is reciprocal. Reciprocal, for example, 1 upon 4. Reciprocal is same as inverse. This is the fraction. This is numerator. This is denominator. In reciprocal, this 4 denominator will go to numerator, then denominator will come 1. This is reciprocal. 1 upon 4 is equal to change to 4. In another way, we can say 1 upon 4. Inverse. Inverse means 1 upon 4. This is the actual calculation is coming. So, this is simple way you can write the answer. So, here this 4 is coming down. This will go to upside. Then it will come, 1 will come, denominator 1 will be there. That is 4. Another example, 5 upon 9. Reciprocal of 5 upon 9. I think you get the answer. 9 upon 5. Denominator will go up and numerator will come down. 6 upon 18. it will change to 18 upon 6. This reciprocal we can use in division of fractions. We can see division. Division of fraction. For example, 1 upon 2 divided by 3 upon 5. So, in division, the next step is 1 upon 2. Division of fraction. 1 upon 2 divided by 3 upon 5. The next step is we will write the same number 1 upon 2. Then we will change this division as multiplication. Then inverse of this divisor, that is 5 upon 3. Now we can multiply. 1 into 5. We will multiply the numbers. 1 into 5, that is 5, upon 2 into 3, that is 6. So, half divided by 3 upon 5 is 5 upon 6. We can do another example. 4 upon 5 divided by 7 upon 8. First step is write this number 4 upon 5, that is dividend. Now we can change this division, change to multiplication. Then the inverse or reciprocal, 7 upon 8. Reciprocal of 7 upon 8 is 8 upon 7. Now multiply the numerator. 4 into 8, 32, upon 5 into 7, 35. Now another example. 1 upon 7 into 3 upon 7. 1 into 3, 3. 7 into 7, 49. Now division. 1 upon 7 divided by 3 upon 7. So 1 upon 7 division change to multiplication, then inverse 7 upon 3. So 7 into 1, 7, 7 upon 21. Now division of fraction and a whole number. 5 divided by 1 upon 2. So how we can write? 5 is same as 5 upon 1. This division change to multiplication, then reciprocal or inverse. So it will come 2 upon 1. So we will get 5 into 2, that is 10 upon 1, that is same as 10. Another one, 1 upon 2 divided by 5. How we can do this? 1 upon 2. Change this division into multiplication. This is same as 5 upon 1. Inverse of 5 is 1 upon 5. So the answer will come 1 into 1, 1, upon 2 into 5, 10. So the answer will come 1 upon 10. Another example. 1 upon 5 divided by 2. 1 upon 5. Now division change to multiplication. Inverse of 2 is 1 upon 2. We know that 2 is same as 2 upon 1. So 1 will go up, 2 will come down. Now the answer will come 1 upon 10. Thank you for watching this video. Those who are not, forget to subscribe division of fraction and whole numbers. 5 divided by 1 upon 2. That is 5. Division change to multiplication. Then find the inverse or reciprocal. 2 upon 1. Now you can multiply the numerator. 5 2s are 10 upon 1. It is same as 10. Another example. Example 2. 1 upon 2 divided by 5. 1 upon 2. Division change to multiplication. Then inverse of 5. That is 1 upon 5. Or reciprocal of 5. That is 1 upon 5. Here there is 1. 5 is same as 5 upon 1. Now multiply. 1 into 1, 1. 2 into 5, 10. So the answer will come 1 upon 10. Example 3. 1 upon 5 divided by 7. 1 upon 5. Division change to multiplication. Inverse of 7 or multiplicative inverse of 7 is 1 upon 7. Now 1 into 1, 1. 5 into 7, 35. So I hope you understand. You got this idea how to divide the fraction. Thank you for watching this video. Those who are not subscribed, please subscribe and like and share. Thank you. We can meet in the next episode.